Hi guys, myself Meenakshi currently working as junior law associate in LEXIS and Company. Today I want to say some few words of the hijab controversy. The hijab controversy has been started or arose from a policy framework which recognized that there should not be expression of any specific religious practices in the school, as as it would be a better stand to not process or not express any religious sentiments in the fields of education. So by keeping this thought, the such policy has been issued. So whosoever has been affected wrongly by this policy, they have challenged the same in their respective district courts, session courts, and thereafter in the high courts, and ultimately it has went to the Supreme Court for analyzing the ratio of pursuing or violation of fundamental rights while pursuing fundamental rights of the educational institution. So if education institution has a fundamental right to enforce any policy regarding the betterment or upliftment of their uh, designed objectives, and such type of practice is going to affect the violation or the infringement of any other persons regarding their religious rights, so such type of practice would be permissible in the eyes of law, or it's going to be abolished in the eyes of law. So this is the matter of consideration before the eyes of the apex court. So what consideration they have to draw regarding the same while seeing the ratio of the pursuing of fundamental right by the individual in person or by the education institute in person by represented with some legal living person. So in this judgment, the Supreme Court has taken an overview that it is necessary to pursue a fundamental right that contains the expression or the pursuing of their religious sentiments, but at the same time the fundamental right of the education institute can't be denied under the eyes of law. And by keeping such consideration, the Supreme Court has said that the abolishment of the FD scarves and all that in the schools, colleges, premises is not going to against the eyes of law, as the educational institute has also the fundamental right to pursue their goals or their principles. So the ratio has to be seen, the infringement of the fundamental right in comparison to the infringement of the fundamental of an educational institution. By keeping in view, such type of practices will be decided in the eyes of law.